Hello visitors, this is Ashwin. In this video, we are going to see about the Fitness on Go, which is a cloud-based club management software developed by Voice on Go for fitness centers, yoga centers, gyms, and the clubs. So first of all, you need to log in into the software. For that, I'll give my password and click on Go. So as soon as you log in into your account, you can see this is the main page of the software. So here in the left pane you have several options here. So the first thing is that you can search for the things here in the search bar, and below that you have the dashboard, which is the default page which opens after your login. So you can see this is the same page. So the second one is that the member management. You just click on that. There are three options in that: add a new member, and you can see the member list. Then you can update the member info. So just click on this add new member. So here you can give the person information of the new member like name, gender, date of birth, and all the address, and they can upload a picture of the person and can give the emergency contact information, and just click on the add new member, or you can cancel it. And similarly you can see here, you can see the members list. So this is the members list currently in the center. You can click on next for more people. So there are not any more left. So in this way you can see the members list. And the third one is that the renewal management. Click on that. You can see you can make payment by just clicking on it. So here you can see the payment information, that is the member ID. You can search on that and member information, and below that the current status, that is the current plan and balance due, and also the due date. You can see all these options. Again, if you want to add any new plan information for that particular member, you can select a plan from the available things, and you can select add-on and payment mode and payment info, date and due date, and the amount things and taxes and all these things. And after that you can just click on this update payment information. So in this way you can manage your payments. So now we'll just go to the fourth one, that is the point of care. So here you have things regarding to your diet schedule and exercise schedule and the measurements. So if I just click on this first one, that is a new diet schedule, you can create a diet schedule for your members, and you can see you can give the member ID and the date, can select the date, and can set the progress status whether following completely or not, and you can give a comment and you can give your suggestions. So after that you can click on the save, and the next thing is that you can see the exercise schedule. Just click on it. So similar to the diet schedule, you can even give the exercise schedule, similar suggestions and comments and all things, member ID and date. So I'll just go to this again, and here you have the measurements. I'll see the measurement list. So you can see here in this you have things like member ID, date of measurements, and height and weight. Similarly, you can maintain details of the all the members. You have several options here: edit, regenerate thumbnails, and delete permanently. Click on apply. So these are some of the options of point of care. And here the next thing is reporting. So you can view the various things here. That is the members information, the first thing. Click on that. So here again you can see the personal info of all the members, and you can see the billing status, see the plan, add-on due dates, and you can see the measurements and payment history and attendance history. So this session contains all the information of a particular member. And if I go again, you have payment here. Click on that. So in the payment section you have details of all the members and the payment dates and amounts and due dates and the clear balance thing. So this is to check the payment details of all the members. And next thing is the income expense. So here you can see date, description, income amount and expense amount, and you can see the total profit and expenses of your organization. And we have more options like birthdays, that is you can see the birthdays of all the members and anniversaries and the measurement history. And go to the birthdays now. So here you can see the birthdays of all the members, and name, father name, occupation and status. And next thing is the measurement history and anniversary. Similarly, you can see that. And next thing you have is attendance management. So here you can see there are three options. The first thing is new attendance. You can create a new attendance for a member. So this is the new attendance. You can add a member ID, attendance, either present or absent. You can select and the date and comment and click on save attendance. And next thing is find attendance. You can find attendance of any particular member. So you can find by searching by start date and end date and member ID. Click on search. You can find it. So here is the sample attendance. In this way you can search for any attendance. And third thing is the punches tab. So this is the biometric login details of all the members, that is the fingerprints and face recognitions and so on. So you can see this gives the details of all the members who have logged in through their punches, that is the fingerprints. So in this way you can view all those things. And next you have the settings. You can add a gym info and you can add a trainer for your particular gym or fitness center. Click on that. So you can create information for the trainers or the personal info, and you can upload a file and contact info and click on add new trainer profile. And the next thing is you can see the trainers list. Click on that. So currently there is only one trainer in my particular institution, so only that is visible here. So I'll just go back to the settings again, and you can see the next thing is the add a plan, and the plans list you can view it. I'll just click on plans list. So this is the plans list, that is the schedules and duration, name, price and plan status. So you can similarly create a new plan if you want it. And next thing is the add-ons. Click on add list add-on. So these are the add-ons. You can view it and you can even create a new add-on. It's clicking on here. So here you can create a new add-on by just giving the name, price, notes and duration and also status, and click on save add-on information. And next you have expense details. You can see all the expenses, and you have other incomes. You can add other income. So you can give information of new incomes, date, income amount, income type and description. So this is to manage all your profits and incomes. And the next thing is you can add an operator. Click on add operator. So you can see here operator status, active or disactive. You can give a username and operator name and password and click on save information and cancel it. So these are some of the settings that you can do in this software. And the last thing is that the inventory, that is all the available things, the invent dot add entry. So click on that. So you can see you can add an item which I've purchased, and you can give the date and description, item price, number of item, total amount. And similarly you can go and see the inventory bought list. So here you can see the list of items you have purchased recently with the date and also amount, and you can even search for stock list which I've bought. And next thing is inventory sold and inventory sold list. I just click on inventory sold list. So the things which have sold to others, to the customers, that is you can see Indio MR, this particular item you have sold it, number of items, that is the quantity, and price and date and amount. You can see here, you can see certain options for that. You can edit it, can view, and you can remove it. And last thing is as inventory on hand. So this is the list of available things with quantity. So here you can see the items which are available in stock now currently, and the item name, price and also number of items in stock. And you can similarly see all the items. So in this way you can manage your inventory. And one thing you can see is that you can print each and every detail that you can see in this particular software. Just click on the print, so it can print it if you have a printer connected. So you can similarly print all the reports and attendance and all the details which you want to print. So I'll just go back to my dashboard here, and here in the dashboard the first thing is the sales report. So you can manage your details of the sales based on the time and also the amount. See, I just click here. You can see here, as I move my mouse cursor, you can see the values and the date here on that particular dates and the values. So now if I move on, you can see the due date information. So here you can see which are the dues that are to be paid. So you can see the name, the due dates, and can pay there from here itself, and click on pay now. And third thing is that you have parents due information. So this is the parents due details of all the things. And if I just move on, you have attendance reports. You can see attendance based on things. So below that you have calendar. You can manage your calendars, and you can switch to month view and week and day, and you can even assign the things, events. Just click on this particular day. See, you can give a title for your event and click on OK. Let's cancel it. So in this way you can assign the events on the particular dates in the calendar. And one more thing you can do is that you can change the color of this particular report. By clicking here, you can see you can change the colors, and similarly you can do for all the things here. Click on here, just see here, it changes the color. So this way you can have a better look at all the things. So in this way the Fitness on Go helps you to manage several things required for fitness centers, yoga centers and clubs. So that is it. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you.